Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you're all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, kindly subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell button so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Please share the videos with others or in the internet. In the last episode of Know Your Body segment, we spoke about the organs of the lymphatic system of the human body. In today's episode, we will talk about the functions performed by the lymphatic system and some tips to maintain the good health of the lymphatic system. Functions of the lymphatic system. All parts of the lymphatic system, lymphatic vessels, tonsils, adenoids, spleen, thymus gland, and red bone marrow work together and perform a number of functions. Firstly, lymphatic system strengthens the immune system and fights infections. The lymphatic system produces two types of white blood cells called lymphocytes, the T cells and the B cells. They travel through the lymphatic vessels. As they reach the lymph nodes, they are filtered through the lymph nodes and become activated by contact with viruses and bacteria and form antibodies and defend the body. Thus, the lymphatic system works, as it were, a secondary circulatory system that constantly fights against external infections and strengthens the immune system of the body. Secondly, the lymphatic system helps to maintain fluid balance in the body. About 90% of the blood plasma that reaches the tissues from capillaries of the arteries is returned by capillaries of the veins. However, the remaining 10% of the blood plasma is found in the tissue spaces and cavities, tiny spaces surrounding cells called interstitial spaces. The smallest lymphatic vessel capillaries drain this 10% lymph fluid, which is approximately 2 to 3 liters a day, and carry through lymphatic vessels to the vein and return to the bloodstream. If this fluid is not drained by lymphatic system, it would be fatal, as the excess fluid in the tissues can lead to swelling. Besides, there can be loss of blood volume in the body, which in turn can lead to blood pressure. Thirdly, the lymphatic system absorbs fat and fat soluble nutrients. The fats absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract are taken up in a part of the gut membrane in the small intestine. Tiny lacteals of the lymphatic system found in this part of the small intestine absorb fats and fat soluble vitamins and nutrients and form a milky white fluid called chyle. It delivers nutrients indirectly when it reaches the blood circulation in the veins, while the blood capillaries take up other nutrients directly. Fourthly, the lymphatic system removes impurities from the body. Toxins and other impurities from the body, such as carbon dioxide, sodium, and other byproducts of cellular feeding on oxygen, minerals, and nutrients, are removed by the organs of the lymphatic system. These impurities removed by the lymphatic system are disposed through perspiration, bowel movements, urine, and breath. Likewise, spleen filters blood and removes old and dead red blood cells, which are engulfed and destroyed by white blood cells called lymphocytes and macrophages, and replaces them with new red blood cells that are made in the red bone marrow. Tips to maintain a healthy lymphatic system. First, dry brushing. It consists in gently rubbing your body using a brush with a coarse natural fiber bristles in a circular motion. You can start from your feet and move up towards the neck. The coarse fibers can help remove dead skin and improve skin's ability to get rid of toxins through pores. Second, stay active. Since the lymphatic system doesn't have a pump to move fluid throughout the body, it relies on movement of the musculoskeletal system to drain lymph fluid and keep it circulating. Therefore, staying active is vital for the good health of the lymphatic system. Any type of physical activity, aerobic and anaerobic, practice of yoga, stretches, periodic short walks between your work, and other regular exercises would be of help. Third, massage therapies. It consists in the physical manipulation of the muscles of the musculoskeletal system. A massage therapist can give what is called lymphatic drainage massage to help improve lymph drainage and flow. However, we ourselves can gently massage various muscles of our body as we sit casually or watching the television. Fourth, deep breathing. Any form of deep breathing exercise helps lymph move through the bloodstream and increase removal of toxins. Besides, deep breathing provides more oxygen to the blood and activates the lymphatic system. For instance, you can breathe in deeply through your nose, hold it for 4 counts, and exhale it through your mouth for 2 counts. You can do this exercise 2 to 3 times a day. Fifth, maintain a healthy diet and lifestyle. Eat a healthy diet of vegetables, fruits, and whole grains that provide a full range of vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and high in antioxidants. Avoid processed foods, fast foods, and sugary foods and drinks. Include healthy fats in your diet. Drink sufficient fluids, especially water. Avoid unhealthy environments, pollutants, and toxic substances. Learn to manage your stress through practice of yoga, meditation, etc. Thus, the lymphatic system plays an amazing role in maintaining the health and proper functioning of our body. Taking proper care of ourselves would definitely make the task of the system lighter. Let our reflection make us to be more thoughtful of our body and treat it with kindness. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.